So start by lying down on the ground. Elongate your spine by adjusting your hips and your neck. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, draw the navel down and up towards your collarbone. You want to be able to have a little bit of space underneath your low back. Make sure that you are engaging your transverse abdominals. Bring your right foot and press it against your left knee. As you inhale, exhale, draw your belly button in and up as you press your right foot against your left knee and lift up your pelvic floor. Next, you're going to take your hands and press the backs together. As you inhale, relax, and as you exhale, reach your arms up towards the ceiling, giving me a Kegel, lifting up your pelvic floor and engaging your transverse abdominals. Inhale and exhale. Belly button draws in and up, and lift up the pelvic floor as your right foot presses against your left knee. Next, we are going to do a leg lift. So exhale as the leg comes on up, and as you inhale, drop the leg. Exhale, engage those transverse abdominals and lift that leg right on up. You want to make sure that you have that neutral spine, and as your leg comes up, you're lifting up the pelvic floor, giving me a Kegel. Next, we're going to do toe taps. So same idea, inhale, exhale, lower that heel down to the ground and back up. Think about zipping up your inner thighs, giving me a Kegel, lifting your pelvic floor as the leg returns to starting position. When you exhale, again, you're engaging your transverse abdominals. Next, we're going to do the dead bug. As your right leg goes out, your left arm goes back overhead. Same idea here. As your leg extends out, you're going to exhale. So really make sure that your belly stays flat. If you notice any coning here, you are going to take this move down a notch. We really want this to be slow and controlled here. And again, as you come back to standing, give me a nice Kegel. All right, now we're on all fours. We are just going to do the upper body motion of a bird dog. So we're just going to take that right arm up, and then we are going to do about 8 reps, and then we'll switch to the left. You want to make sure that your core is engaged this entire time. Inhale, exhale, lift the pelvic floor up, belly button in and up. Next, we are going to do bear hold. So you are going to give me a deep inhale right here. Inhale, exhale. Engage your pelvic floor, your transverse abdominals lift up and lift those knees up off the ground for 1, 2, 3, and then lower them back down. Again, inhale. As you exhale, lift up those knees, pulling your belly button in and up towards your collarbone, and then relax. Next, we have the side plank. Now, make sure that when you lift up, you are giving me the same abdominal engagement. And to make it even more challenging, you can add a little bit of a wrap. So inhale, exhale, belly button in and up, and then exhale. Each time you do that, you want to lift up the pelvic floor. And here we go. Here is my progress. This is some belly breathing just standing up. So deep inhale. As you exhale, your belly button comes in and up. This is the motion that you want to have when you're down doing these moves. So deep inhale, exhale, draw in and up. And just remember to lift up the pelvic floor, give me a Kegel, but then ultimately total relaxation when you are at rest.